everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a treatment to treat your active pimple, acne or scar. Now there is a basic difference between pimple and acne. Pimple is something which is due to your hormonal imbalance and a lot of other things, and acne is something which is not specifically due to your hormones but also probably due to the climatic condition, and probably your skin is too oily. That's the reason the acne is all about. But I got some acne which I will be showing. I have some active acne which is here. So these are the active acnes that is due to my menstruation cycle. So I do have the periods, and because of that there is an acne and scar, and I will today let you know how you can treat them. The first medicinal thing that you can treat them is with the help of this ointment called clindamycin phosphate gel USP. This is something that is the best, so that after treating your entire face at night, at last treatment should be this. So first I will be taking you through how I treat my acne. The first thing, I do the face wash. You can do face wash with any of the face washes that suits your skin. I always use Good Vibes ka charcoal one, and then I use Lotus ka clear face wash, papaya face wash, and green tea tree face wash. So these are the three face washes that I always use whenever I encounter some acne which is active. So today, first thing, I have already kind of did my face wash. Next thing, I go for toner. This is Rose Hips Skin Clarifying Toner. This is the best toner I have ever encountered. And by the way, this is the flower that I have decorated from my Calcutta street shopping. If you have not watched the video, do take a moment to watch the video. And this looks absolutely natural. I mean, let me show you. This looks absolutely natural. So just wanted to update you with you guys with that. Just adjusting. Okay, the next thing which I will be doing is definitely after face wash, use the skin toner. This is Rose Hip Skin Toner. Let the toner sit so that the open pores gets closed. That's the next treatment is first face wash, then with the toner, and whenever you are like done, start patting the toner even around the acne area with gently. And even I have some spots of acne over here, so I'm just gonna take care of them as well today. Make sure whenever you have acne or pimple, do not scrub your face, because that will lead to more of active acne. The acne which are already present, they will become more active. So please make sure that you do not scrub your face more when you have your active acne. So by the time we spoke, the toner was quickly absorbed. Now the next thing which I will be doing is the skin serum. Now I usually use this Swiss Beautica serum, but today to cool down my face, because the temperature in Hyderabad is really bad. Things are really bad, and it's very hot. So I'm just gonna straight away move to the face sheet. I'm using today Mirabelle Cosmetics. This is a Korean. This is one of the Korean brand. I'm using this face sheet to calm down the skin temperature, and at the same time this is a wine face sheet. This will also help to give me more of serum things, which I usually get it from the serum for Swiss Beauty, or probably the vitamin C. The other face wash, face toner or skin mist that you can use during the acne is Wow Skin Vitamin C. Now vitamin C is very helpful to reduce your pimple marks. Now I do have the pimple marks over here and over here, so it's very important that you use more of the products of vitamin C. Those products more which has a lot of vitamin C, because that will help to remove lot of your scars, and it will also help to treat your acne more faster. So this is the second alternative. This you can use it. It's really good. So usually I use Swiss Beautica serum, or else I use this vitamin C Garnier Light Complete Boost serum. Now I will not be using this today because I'm using face mask. So it's very important whenever you have acne or pimple or anything, make sure your skin is well hydrated, because that will help to repair your skin more. So I'm just gonna use this face sheet. It has so much serum that I can't tell you. It's full of serum. So let the serum be there. We'll open the mask and just apply. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we will make sure the serum gets completely absorbed to your skin. Okay, here is our sheet mask. Sheet mask and serum is very important to hydrate your skin. This is so relaxing. Can't tell you. I will let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then I will meet you guys. So I have kept it for 15 minutes by now, and my skin is already glowing. Whatever is remaining is full of serum. Oh my god. This much is still remaining, and I'm just gonna massage it well, the remaining serum. Why it is very important to hydrate your skin when it is full of pimple and acne is because whenever your skin is hydrated, trust me, your skin will repair. It is in the repair mode. So there is a lot of serum still there. And I'm enjoying this process, honestly guys. If you are a person who want their skin to glow and who want their skin to be really awesome, please invest in sheet mask. To be very honest, the sheet mask glows your skin from within after application, and it is just instant guys. You can just see that I've applied for 10 minutes and my skin is already glowing. I'll massage this very thoroughly. So much of serum, I'm going to massage this and then I'll come back with the next step. So the first step was face wash, toner. Third step was sheet mask, and I will come with 2 more steps and your skin will start repairing for the acne. So stay tuned. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other videos and please subscribe, because that's a little bit of motivation I as a YouTuber get from you guys. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box guys. Highly recommend guys to use sheet mask whenever your skin is not doing good. Whenever your skin is full of acne, pimples and a lot of dirts accumulated, please go for sheet mask. I highly recommend this wine facial sheet mask. This is really nice. In sheet mask, since it is summer, go for papaya, go for cucumber, go for wine sheet mask. And what else? There are a lot of sheet masks available. Trust me, my skin is glowing. The next treatment is definitely with this ointment, which is clindamycin phosphate gel. This is readily available in the market and the price is really affordable guys. I think within 40 to 60 rupees you can get this, and wherever you feel there is a pimple mark, it's a clean gel, just apply this. Wherever you find there is an active acne, apply it and just keep it. And just sleep for the overnight. It's time to sleep, and then in the morning you will see that the skin is actually repairing. The active acne is actually drying out and your skin is actually doing well. So that's a basic treatment for treating your acne. To be very honest, my skin is actually glowing after the sheet mask, and then I applied the ointment, and just the next morning the skin is ready for the next prep up. So that's pretty much today's video. If you really have an active pimple or acne, follow the steps, and before going to sleep, just wash off your face, apply the toner, apply the face mask, and then the clindamycin phosphate gel, and then directly go to sleep. Your skin is ready to repair. That's pretty much for today's video. I will see you in the next video. If you really like this video, do take a moment to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, hit the like button, comment me down in the description box, and I will come up with yet another video.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.